The HQ-22 is a new China's air defense missile system. It was first revealed in 2014 in a downgraded form and was known as the FK-3. The FK-3 was mainly aimed at export customers. The HQ-22 can be seen as an improved and more mature version of the FK-3. It was first publicly revealed in 2016. By 2019, the HQ-22 was already in operational service. So far, it is one of the most capable China's air defense missile systems. It replaces in service the aging HQ-2 air defense systems. The HQ-22 resembles a HQ-9 air defense missile system that was adopted back in the late 1990s. There is also a HQ-16 that entered service in 2011. Missiles of all of these systems are stored in containers. However, all of these systems were developed by different companies and have different specifications. Also, the HQ-9 and HQ-16 launch their missiles vertically, while the HQ-22 launches its missiles at an angle. The HQ-22 air defense system can engage aircraft, helicopters, UAVs, ballistic and cruise missiles. The HQ-22 uses new missiles that have a range of up to 170 kilometers and can reach targets at an altitude of up to 27 kilometers. Missiles of the HQ-22 use semi-active radar guidance. The launcher is based on a Hanyang special chassis with 8x8 configuration. Judging from the chassis, this missile system is mainly designed for traveling on hard surface roads. A typical battery of HQ-22 includes 3 launcher vehicles. A battery can engage 6 air targets simultaneously. The HQ-22 medium-range anti-aircraft missile system is designed to destroy aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, cruise missiles and helicopters of the enemy of all altitudes of their combat application, day and night, in any weather conditions with active radioelectronic counteraction by the enemy. The HQ-22 is developed by Jiangnan Space Industry, also known as Base 061. Part of China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation Limited, CASIC, and represents a deep upgrade of the HQ-12 air defense system. The system is designed to accelerate the re-equipment of China's People's Liberation Army (PLAF) air defense units operating outdated HQ-2 systems. The first unit to receive the HQ-22 was the PLA division of the Beijing Air Defense System located in Lianshui County, Hebei Province. According to information published in the Western media, 13 HQ-22 battalions were deployed in 2018. The system was first presented at Airshow China 2016. On July 30, 2017, it was demonstrated at a parade marking the 90th anniversary of the founding of PLA. Currently, it is being offered for export under the designation FK-3. The complex includes new LSDs. The rocket is made according to the aerodynamic scheme bearing body. In the tail part there are aerodynamic rudders. The improved marching engine provides a range of up to 120 kilometers. The missiles are equipped with a semi-active radar CNS complemented by a two-way radio command line for data transmission. The flight is controlled by a combined guidance system. At the initial stage of flight, up to 75 kilometers, is implemented radio command guidance. At the final, by the method of TVM, track via missile, escort through the missile, combining command guidance with a semi-active. The use of this method of guidance allows to reduce the sensitivity of the system to various measures of electronic counteraction, makes it possible to ensure the flight of the missile on the optimal trajectories and hitting targets with high efficiency. Launch of the missile, inclined, on its own engine, with the launcher guided by the angle of space and azimuth. The launcher is equipped with a pivoting part on which a package of 4 transport and launch containers is placed. The missiles are located in the transport and launch containers, which protect against external influences and facilitate maintenance and charging. The PU has a self-contained power supply system. H-200 multifunctional radar illumination and pointing station, which is a part of HQ-22 and HQ-12 complexes, is offered in different versions. In the demonstrated sample of HQ-22 air defense systems, it is made on the platform of TA-5450 vehicle with cross-country ability of 25 t and 8x8 wheel arrangement. TAS-5450 is equipped with a diesel engine Deutz BF6 M1015 CP with an output of 517 horsepower and gearbox WSK-400 of German company ZF. Power reserve is 800 km, maximum speed is 65 km per hour. The machine has a 4-door fully protected cabin with air conditioning system. When deployed in combat position, the radar is mounted on hydraulic supports. Antenna device of H-200 radar is a phased antenna grill of circular rotation with digital control of the beam position. Advanced H-200 provides simultaneous guidance of 12 missiles on 6 targets.